At the beginning of the story, we see a girl named Noah who is traveling in a car with her mother. She is very angry with her mother because her mother has left her old husband and is now moving with Noah to live with her new husband. Noah does not like this at all. After some time, Noah's mother arrives at her husband's house, which is very luxurious. Noah's stepfather welcomes them warmly, but Noah does not like anything about the place. Because of this, she calls one of her friends and tells her that she does not care about money because she prefers to live a simple life. While she is talking to her friend, Nick appears in front of her. Nick is her stepbrother. Instead of calling her his sister, he refers to her as his father's new wife's daughter, which Noah does not like. Just then, Nick's dog suddenly runs toward Noah. Seeing the dog, Noah hides behind Nick, and he saves her. Here we can see that the two of them slowly start getting closer. In the next scene, they are all having dinner at an expensive restaurant. During dinner, an argument starts between Nick and Noah. When Nick keeps teasing her, Noah gets upset and decides to go home. Seeing this, Nick's father asks him to drop Noah home. At first, Nick refuses, saying he has other work to do. But when his father gives him no other option, he is forced to agree. While Nick is driving Noah home, another argument starts between them on the way. When Noah angrily says bad things about Nick's mother, Nick becomes furious. He stops the car, forces Noah out, and leaves her alone on the road. After some time, Noah sees another car passing by and asks the driver for a ride. She sits inside the car. When she tells the boy that her brother left her in the middle of the road, the boy says that her brother must have gone to a party happening nearby. He knows this because he himself is also going to the same party. Hearing this, Noah asks him to take her to the party. When they reach there, Noah sees Nick enjoying himself with several girls, and this makes her very angry. She starts shouting at him, saying that he left her alone in the middle of the road just for those girls. Nick replies that she should not interfere in his personal life. Hearing this hurts Noah a lot. While she is wandering around the party alone, a boy approaches her and offers her a drink. Noah drinks it without thinking much. Just then, Nick arrives and beats the boy badly because he had mixed something in Noah's drink. Nick realizes that Noah is intoxicated, so he carries her home and puts her to sleep in her bed. The next morning, when Noah wakes up, she thinks that something happened between her and Nick the previous night. When she asks Nick about it, he teases her and says that yes, they had a lot of fun together. In the next scene, Noah is sitting on a beach reading a book when she notices Nick wearing a swimming costume. She starts looking at him and slowly begins to like him. Later that night, Nick is about to participate in a race against another guy. When he sees Noah looking very beautiful, he becomes even more determined to win. The race begins, and Nick gives it his all to impress Noah. In the end, he wins the race. After his victory, everyone begins celebrating at a party. During the celebration, Noah receives a message from her boyfriend Dan. In the message, she sees Dan kissing another girl. This makes her very angry. To make him jealous, she finds a guy at the party and starts taking pictures with him. At that moment, Nick comes there, takes her phone, and after seeing the picture understands the whole situation. He tells Noah that if she wanted such a picture, she could have taken it with him. He then moves closer to her, and Noah takes a picture with Nick and sends it to Dan. After that, Noah sits inside Nick's racing car, which she really likes. Soon another race is about to begin, but Nick is not there yet. So Noah decides to race in his place. We then see that she is very skilled at driving and that this is not her first race. She wins the race. But just then Nick arrives, and we learn that according to the bet, Nick himself was supposed to race. Now he has to give 15,000 euros and his favorite car to the other guy. While Nick is leaving with Noah, that same guy says something insulting about her. Hearing this makes Nick extremely angry, and he beats the boy badly. Noah gets very scared during this fight and starts remembering her childhood when her parents used to fight. After this incident, Nick begins receiving threatening messages, but he does not care much about them. Later, he meets his younger sister. That night, when he comes home, Noah is sitting with Thor and watching TV. Nick finds her very beautiful and sits next to her. As they talk, they slowly move closer to each other. but Nick suddenly stops himself and says that what they are doing is wrong. He says that whenever she is around him, he cannot control himself. The next day, Noah is washing Nick's car while he watches her from a distance. Noah notices him and starts teasing him. Just then her mother arrives and tells her that she has invited Noah's boyfriend Dan. Noah becomes nervous because she had sent Dan a picture with Nick. If Dan finds out that Nick is her stepbrother, it will create a huge problem. After Dan leaves, Nick and Noah start falling in love, even though they both know that if anyone finds out about their relationship, it will cause serious trouble. One day, Noah receives a threatening letter from the same guy who raced with Nick that night. Meanwhile, Nick runs into that same guy again, who starts provoking him. Later, when Nick comes home injured, Noah becomes worried and tells him that he should stay away from fights. After that, Noah tells Dan that their relationship is over and that she loves Nick. Dan becomes very upset and leaves. The next day, Nick and Noah go out with their friends. On the way, Noah gives Nick a toy car as a gift in exchange for the car he lost in the race. She jokes that she was going to give him poetry, but he would not understand it. Nick moves closer to her and kisses her, but at that moment their friends arrive and see them together, making fun of them. Nick gets angry and is about to start a fight with them. While he is taking off his clothes to prepare for the fight, Noah tells him that he should not fight because she does not like it at all. But Nick does not listen. Noah becomes upset and starts leaving. One of Nick's friends approaches Noah and tries to comfort her, but when he tries to kiss her, Nick arrives, pushes him away, and warns him to stay away from Noah. Nick confesses his love to Noah, but she says that she has started feeling afraid of him and decides to end their relationship. Nick is heartbroken. After that, they both start living separately and become very sad because of the distance between them. One day, Nick's father tells him the truth about Noah's real father. He used to abuse Noah's mother when she was young and eventually went to prison, but now he is about to be released. Nick's father asks Nick to always stay close to Noah to protect her. Meanwhile, Noah's father arrives at a place where she is partying with her friend and tries to take her home. When Noah steps outside, she suddenly remembers that she left her blazer inside. She goes back to get it, but another girl locks her inside a cupboard. Noah becomes very scared because her father used to lock her in cupboards during her childhood. Just then, Nick arrives and frees her. In the next scene, we see Nick and Noah being intimate in bed when suddenly Nick's father walks in and sees them together. He is shocked. Actually, he came to inform Nick that his younger sister's condition is serious and she is in the hospital. Nick quickly takes Noah with him to the hospital to see his sister. Later, while returning home, Nick stops the car and tells Noah that once they reach home, their families will separate them forever. So he wants to love her one last time. They share an emotional moment together. Before going home, Nick stops at a store. But when he comes back outside, Noah is gone. Someone has kidnapped her. When they check the CCTV cameras, they discover that the kidnapper is the same guy who raced with Nick that night. On the other side, Noah is being held captive by her father. He calls them and demands money in exchange for Noah. Hearing this, everyone gathers the money and reaches the location he mentioned. The police are also there, tracking Noah's car. Noah's father realizes this and forces her to drive the car at gunpoint. As Noah drives, Nick approaches from the opposite direction in his car and performs a drifting maneuver in front of her. Taking advantage of the moment, the police shoot and kill Noah's father. After that, everyone is finally safe again. In the final scene, we see Nick secretly meeting Noah. They still love each other deeply, but they both know that no one will ever accept their relationship. And with that, the film comes to an end. So make sure to comment and tell me how you like this movie.